Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to remove blank page in Microsoft Word. Deleting blank pages in Microsoft Word makes the document neater, more structured, and easier to navigate. It also helps save space and prevents reader confusion that may occur due to unnecessary blank pages. So how to remove blank page in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. The first way may be very easy. Just point the cursor to the blank page section. Then tap the delete button on the keyboard. However, this does not apply to those of you who may accidentally delete some content that cannot be easily deleted. The second way, namely the Home menu tab. Then tap the Show or Hide menu, and a sign will appear on the MS Word page. Next, block all the signs on the blank page. Then tap Delete on the keyboard. The third way, point the cursor to the View menu, then tap. And then tap Navigation. Then just tap Blank Page. And press Delete on the keyboard. Okay, so that's the tutorial to remove blank page on MS Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.